Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add member to an LLC in Florida. First, review your LLC operating agreement or Florida LLC law if none exists to understand and follow the required consent process for admitting a new member. Then hold a members meeting and document a formal vote or resolution approving the additional, including details on ownership percentages, capital contribution, and profit or loss allocation. Draft an executive and amendment to the operating agreement reflecting the new member or any revised structure, with all members, including the new one, signing off. Then prepare and file a certification of amendment to your articles of organization via mailed hard copy, not online, including LLC name, document number, new numbers, name or address or title, effective date, signature, and $25 state fee. Notify the IRS and relevant tax authorities, especially if adding a member to a single member LLC, by filtering IRS Form 8832 to update entire classification or obtain a new EIN if tax status has changed. Finally, update internal and external records, including your annual report, bank accounts, licenses, contracts, and vendor documents to reflect the updated membership structure for compliance and transparency. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.